This is going to be a video product review with a newborn 250 super smooth rod revolving frame caulking gun. I bought this caulking gun 5 years ago and I am going to use it today, and you are going to see what it looks like in action. I will tell you, this thing is worth the price. You definitely want to buy it. I am shocked at how smooth it is. I'll leave an affiliate link in the video description, but believe me, this is worth the investment. This is going to be a video product review of the stainless steel DAP commercial kitchen 100% silicone food grade caulking. Kitchen grade, food grade, that makes me happy. This is going to go around a sink. I'm going to apply this with a caulking gun that I bought many years ago that I haven't used, so I'm going to be reviewing that at the same time. And we're going to see if this works. The problem is that the metal ring around the sink is coming apart, and the wood underneath is separating, and so water is slipping down there and damaging it. So I'm going to apply this caulk right now. We're going to see if it works well, see what it looks like, and then I'll come back and leave some comments later on. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, you know the whole routine. I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link for this product in the video description, so if you want to buy it, click it, it will take you there. Even if you don't want to buy it, if you want to help me out before you put in your Amazon order, click on any of my affiliate links. It will take you to Amazon, and then it will benefit me a little bit. So thanks for watching. Here we go. We're going to go in the kitchen now and test this out. I am going to be doing a video review of the caulking gun that we just looked at, and I'm going to be applying this DAP caulk to the kitchen sink, so I'll let you know what I think of the caulking gun. And here we go. If you want to buy it, I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the video description. Click on that link. It will help you out. And make sure you do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment, and all that other cool stuff. Thank you very much. Here we go. Let's test it out. People, we're going to test this caulk out now. We are going to test out the caulk, and we're going to be testing out the caulking gun. So let me get a cloth. This stuff has got a terrible list of chemicals, and talking about how dangerous it is and how toxic it is, so I don't really know how well this is going to work. The caulking gun is incredible. Oh my goodness. Okay, now this stuff is shooting out all over the place. This is not what I wanted. This is not what I wanted. It's just shooting out. We do not want this stuff to be pouring out like it is. I've got too much pressure on the back of the tube, obviously. I've got to back this thing off. Yeah, it's just pouring out right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this thing out right now. Let's see how it fills up the gap over here. I got a TV set on the back, so I might have to redo the video or redo the audio. This is absolutely beautiful. This caulking is so nice. I don't know if you can see it. I want you to see it. I want you to see what it's doing. Look at that. That's very impressive. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Okay, I'm obviously going to have to redo the video with cutting out the audio because somebody's watching the TV set in the background and it's just way too loud right now. It's way too loud. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like afterwards, but I am very impressed with the caulking gun, and I'm also extremely impressed with the caulk. Well, this is going to require a second application, but I was very impressed with how it went on. It's kind of gooey, it's kind of runny, so I would really make the tip very small if you are worried, because this stuff just pours out kind of like dishwashing liquid. It's very, very runny, very gooey. Cleanup was okay. It spilled all over on both sides, so it took a long time to clean up. And I'm going to have to do a second application. But it definitely matches the stainless steel around the sink, and it looks a lot nicer than clear. And by the time, that's a huge gap. By the time that this whole thing is finished, it's going to be definitely worth the few dollars it costs to apply this. So my recommendation is, yeah, you really will get a good product if you buy the stainless steel stuff. If you put on clear, it's going to look ridiculous. It might be easier to hide, but and easier for cleanup. But I like the stainless steel, and because it's safe for food areas, I'm happy putting this around the kitchen. This is going to complete the review of the newborn. Is that? Yeah, the newborn Model 250 that I bought years ago. Hopefully they still sell this thing. This is a really impressive caulking gun. You will put your caulk all over whatever you need to without any problem at all. It's very easy to hold your caulk gun in your hand and to squeeze the handle of your caulk gun and to apply whatever's in your caulk tube. So I think this is a really nice one. I've used a lot of cheapy ones. This is heavy duty. It's really worth the money. Again, I'm not sure if they still sell this, but if they do, I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the video description. Thanks for watching, everybody.